Turkish jet trainer Hürjet made first flight. Turkey's first jet-powered training and light attack aircraft Hürjet, developed by Turkish Aerospace Industries, TAI, with domestic and national capabilities, made its first flight. The first safe flight in the configuration determined within the scope of the project was carried out today. The flight was successful. Hürjet took off from Akinci Murted Airfield Command, which is located in Kahramanmaraş, neighboring Turkish Aerospace Industries, TAI, and successfully landed after being in the air for a while. Thus, the first jet-powered military aircraft in the history of Turkish aviation made its flight. Hürjet technical specifications. Wingspan 9.5 meters, length 13.6 meters, height 5.1 meters, wing area 35 square meters, thrust 17,600 pounds, maximum speed, Mach 1.4, service ceiling 45,000 feet, G-limit plus 8G minus 3G, range 22 kilometers, payload 2,721 kilograms, roles, advanced jet trainer, light attack, close air support, air policing, armed and unarmed, lead-in fighter trainer, red aircraft, aero team aircraft, features, high AOA controllability, head-up display, HUD, helmet-mounted display, preliminary, full authority, digital fly-by-wire FCS, state-of-the-art HMI, minimal conversion time to F-35 and TF, intra- and inter-data link, NVG compatible, AJT lift, air-to-air refueling, dry for AJT, wet for LCA, carefree handling, embedded tactical training and live virtual constructive training systems, APU for autonomous operation from remote airfields, air-to-air and air-to-ground attack, history of the Hürjet project. TAI launched the Hürjet program to address the emerging market potential by leveraging its cost-effective knowledge and experience in the production and design of training aircraft/systems. The Hürjet program aims to design, manufacture, qualify, and certify a new generation jet trainer to replace the T-38 aircraft in the Turkish Air Force inventory and the F-5 aircraft used for aerobatic displays. The first safe flight in the configuration defined by the project will take place in early 2023, and certification activities will be completed, and the jet trainer variant will enter service by the end of 2025. The configurations to be worked on include transition to combat readiness training, light attack, close air support, counter-force training, air patrol, armed and unarmed, aerobatic demonstration aircraft, and aircraft carrier-compatible aircraft. Within the scope of the project, it is planned to produce 2 prototype flyable aircraft and 1 static and 1 fatigue test aircraft to be used in test activities.